joining us on Cooking Made Easy. Today we are going to be making cauliflower ceviche, and we have a special guest.
Hello, my name is Kiara, and today we're making one of my mom's recipes that she's been making for many years.
Our ingredients are cilantro, cucumber, avocado, cauliflower, serrano peppers, limes, tomatoes, red onion, black pepper, oregano, salt, multigrain tortilla chips.
The first step will be to grate the cauliflower. And then I would recommend using the bigger side of the grater just because it can become a little mushier if you use a smaller side.
Wish me luck.
You can also try to use a food processor, and it's kind of hard.
You just gotta get the hang of it, you know?
Or you can take turns with someone when doing the recipe.
Now she's gonna continue to grate the cauliflower, and I am going to chop the tomatoes.
So you can start rotating it just so that you can get more better grip as the cauliflower starts getting smaller.
If it gets too hard, we can go ahead and just cut the cauliflower so that way it's easier to grate. That.
And it's way faster.
Careful with your fingers. You don't want to cut them off now.
Now you're gonna add the tomatoes into your cauliflower. Then we're gonna dice the cucumber.
There we go. Look at those cutting skills.
I think I would be so proud. Then we're gonna add all the cucumber into our cauliflower.
So now we're gonna chop our red onion. We're only gonna use half of it. They say that if you cut in half and keep the stems, you don't cry. But we will find out today. So how did your mom start making this recipe?
She sometimes out of random she starts cooking like meatless recipes just so that we can have like our body can have a break.
Look at that, I didn't even cry.
And then you want to lay out all your beautiful colors around.
Doesn't that look absolutely lovely? Beautiful. Now what we're gonna want to do is
The cilantro.
the cilantro. So we bought a whole bundle of cilantro, but we're only gonna use half of that.
Yeah, you can use half depending exactly how we did with the onion. If you like more onion, if you like more cilantro, just it's up to you. I love the smell of cilantro.
It smells like summer.
Then we're gonna put it inside. Now we're gonna cut the lemons in half and then squeeze it in. There's gonna be an optional step if you want more spice. Will be 1 serrano pepper. Now the final step is going to add the pepper, the salt, and the oregano. As you add the oregano, be sure to like grain it with your fingers.
So now we're gonna mix everything together. Wish me luck, folks. This looks like ceviche for sure. So it is complete. We have the cauliflower ceviche here, and we are going to try it.
Try to get some.
Good? It's like your mom's?
Just like my mom's. Really good.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
It tastes just like ceviche.
You can taste the ceviche when you bite into it. Thank you so much for joining this month's segment. We look forward to having you back for next month, and we want to give a special thank you to Kiara for joining us today.
Thank you guys for having me.